Welcome to Magic Indicator Strategies. Today we will teach you one of the most accurate price action trading strategies on TradingView. This strategy is based on Smart Money Concepts Indicator, which breaks down the price of any security into patterns. These patterns are often seen in the market and they're constantly repeating. Your goal as a trader is to take maximum advantage of them and use them in a way no one else does. But what is smart money, you might ask? And why is it so necessary to understand? Smart money concepts, or SMC, is a fairly new yet widely used term amongst price action traders looking to more accurately navigate liquidity and find more optimal points of interest in the market. Trying to determine where institutional market participants have orders placed can be a very reasonable approach to finding more practical entries and exits based on price action. The term smart money comes from gamblers that had a deep knowledge of the sport they were betting on or insider knowledge that the public was unable to tap into. The investing world is similar. The populace perceives that smart money is invested by those with a full understanding of the market or with information that a regular investor cannot access. As such, smart money is considered to have a much better chance of success when the trading patterns of institutional investors diverge from retail investors. Smart money also refers to the collective force of big money that can move markets. In this context, the central bank is the force behind smart money, and individual traders are riding the coattails of smart money. In this video, we will explain in depth how to read the best Smart Money Concepts Indicator on TradingView. This all-in-one indicator displays real-time market structure like break of market structure, change of character, order blocks, premium and discount zones, equal highs and lows, and much more, allowing traders to automatically mark up their charts with widely used price action methodologies. We will show you how to add this free script to the chart at the end of this video. For now, let's discuss its key features. There are two main components to this indicator: order block channels and labels that represent different price actions. Order blocks can be bullish or bearish. These are the areas where market participants place the majority of their orders. They are displayed as red and blue channels. These order blocks act as major levels of support and resistance. If the price is rejected at these levels more than twice, this indicates a strong order block. Watch how many times the price respected this bullish order block in the past. It is fairly obvious that the majority of pending buy orders are sitting around this price. The second component of the Smart Money Concepts Indicator are the labels displayed on the chart. Let's explain how they work. When the price breaks above the most recent swing high for the first time, the indicator marks it as a bullish change of character. Likewise, the indicator will also show when the market makes equal highs or lows. Once the market reaches a new high for a second time, a bullish break of structure label will be printed. This is the ultimate confirmation of a bullish trend. Every time the market makes a new high, a new bullish break of structure appears. When the price breaks below the most recent swing low for the first time, a bearish change of character label will be printed. This signifies a change in the trend. However, a bearish trend is not confirmed until the price forms a new low for the second time. That's why in a ranging market you will often see a constant change of character. To help you identify a long-term trend better, we've added an exponential moving average to the chart. EMA acts as a filter. The general rule says that if the price is above the EMA, only long positions can be taken. Exactly the opposite is true when the price is moving below the EMA. So how exactly should we use these indicators to spot the right time to buy or sell? Well, we came up with a very effective strategy that's almost never wrong when it comes to predicting future price direction. The conditions for buying are as follows. First, as we mentioned, the price must be closed above the exponential moving average. Second, a bullish break of structure label must be present. As we already know, such a label occurs after a bullish change of character. Third, once the label has been printed, wait for the price to return to the bullish order block. A strong rejection must happen. If these conditions are present, open a buy position and set your stop loss below the bullish order block. Target at least 2 times the risk with this strategy. We found that the probability of a continuation trend is extremely high when the price retests a bullish order block in an established uptrend. Take a look at some more examples of long trades. Watch how the market respects the order block. It is amazing how accurate this strategy can be. Okay, now let's understand the short entries. First, we're only going to be looking to sell when the price is closed below the EMA. Second, the indicator must show a bearish break of the structure label as the most recent label. Finally, the price must retest the most recent bearish order block after the label has been printed. Open a sell trade once the market forms a strong bearish price bar. Set the stop loss slightly above the order block. Target at least 2 times the risk. Pay close attention to every detail. Traders, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like to it for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more high win rate strategies in the future, subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies. Okay, traders, I hope you have understood this amazing strategy. Let me show you how to build this indicator setup. First, log into TradingView and open the chart of any market. Click on the Indicators menu and search for Smart Money Concepts Indicator. Make sure you select this one created by Lux Algo. Keep its settings on default. To add the second indicator to the chart, open the indicators one more time and search for Exponential Moving Average. Pick this indicator right here. Change its length to 200 as well as its color to white. The strategy is ready. Best of luck to you.